Welcome to the Greenlawn 5th grade math show. Here's your host, Troy Hobson. Hi everybody, thank you for joining me on today's show. Today we're going to be going over some numbers for what work you all have been doing over break, as well as going over the solution from our last video, and I'll be introducing the new problem before we start our next video. To go over some numbers and to help cheer some of you all on, I'm bringing in a special guest, Miss Lily.
Woo!
Come
hey
on
guys.
in. All right.
Greetings.
So some numbers to go over first. 10 students have gotten on Khan Academy this week.
Woo!
Proud of you all for working hard on that. I can see your work, and I will be reaching out to your parents to let them know that you've been getting on Khan Academy or you haven't. So please make sure you get on and do your work. Another number. 10 students.
Yay!
I haven't told you what they did yet. 10 students have sent me pictures of their response from the last video.
Awesome.
Which is really
It's
exciting.
a good thing.
It is a good thing. Yes, I'm very proud of you for sending me the
Great
video.
job, guys.
And the last one, most important number, 2. 2 people have texted or called me to ask for help. And
Great
I
job.
really want to hear from as many people as possible asking for help on anything you're struggling with. So please don't hesitate to call my phone or to email me at the email address I put up on the last video. Thank you for your help. I would love to see you all reaching out and asking me for help as we go on. Now it's time to go over the problem of the day from our last video. Please get out any work that you did last time you saw this video so you can follow along with me while I solve the problem. And thank you for the 10 students who sent me pictures of your work. Really appreciate seeing all the hard work that y'all are doing while we're off school. So last problem of the day was Raymond goes to the store. He buys 3 candy bars for 83 cents each and 2 movies for $4.95 each. If he pays with a $20 bill, how much change will he get? So my first step is to break this into manageable chunks. So I'll take the 3 candy bars for 83 cents each first. So I'll demonstrate that on a tape diagram by showing 3 equal boxes that are each 83 cents. My next step is going to be to show the 2 movies for $4.95 each. So I'll make these a little bit larger because $4.95 is a lot more than 83 cents. And I'll show 2 movies for $4.95 each, just like this. So now I have my equal parts that Raymond has spent at the store. Next, he pays with a $20 bill, and we want to know how much change he will get. So the change is going to be a question mark. We don't know exactly what the value of this box is. So I'll label that with a question mark, just like this. And then $20 bill, that would be the total. So the whole thing added up, the candy, the movies, and the change is going to add up to a total of $20. So now what I need to do is find out the value of each individual part. So I'll take the candy bars first. He spent 83 cents on 3 candy bars, 83 cents times 3. And when I actually multiply that, I'll do 3 times 3, which is 9, and 8 times 3, which is 24. So he spent 249 cents on candy bars, or if we add our decimal point in here, $2.49. Then I'll show the movies. He spent $4.95 on each of 2 movies. So $4.95 times 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 9 is 18, plus 1 is 19, and 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. $9.90. So now I have the candy and I have the movies. My last step is to figure out the change. So what I'll do is get the total amount that Raymond spent at the store first. $9.90 plus $2.49. Add those 2 up. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. And 1 plus 9 plus 2 is 12. Raymond spent $12.39 at the store. Now all I need to do is subtract that from 20. Now this might be a little bit tricky because I can set it up as $20 minus $12.39, but I wrote $20 kind of weird in the question, just as 20, not as $20.00. So I need to rewrite my 20 as $20.00 so that I can line up all of my numbers and every place has a number that it can subtract from. And now I need to regroup. $20 is going to change into 110, 10 ones, which then changes into 9 ones, 10 dimes, which then change into 9 dimes, and 10 pennies, which can stay the same because I don't need to regroup from the pennies. Now, after I regroup, my problem will look like this, and then I can just subtract. 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 2 is 7, and 1 minus 1 is nothing. Raymond will have $7.61 left. Finally, and a very important step, is to write this as a complete sentence. So I'll write out, Raymond gets $7.61 in change. And there's my final answer. If we take a look at the whole thing, you can see all of the work. I hope you all got that. Please look over the work and make any adjustments that you need to, and then get ready to send me today's problem of the day, which will be a little bit different. Thank you all. Today's problem of the day. If Evangeline ate 2/3 of a dozen of eggs last week and half a dozen of eggs this week, what fraction of a dozen did she eat in the last 2 weeks? And I'm also adding an extension if you really want to challenge yourself. If she had 2 dozen eggs to start with, what fraction are left? And how many eggs are left? So, please send me the answers to the problem of the day, and if you're able to solve it, the extension problem. Remember, you can send emails to troy.hobson@jpschools.org or text or call my phone number at 504-356-1338. Good luck on your work, and please keep staying sharp in math.